Silver Investing for Beginners, a comprehensive guide to get started. Silver has long been regarded as a precious metal with enduring value, making it a popular choice among investors. For beginners looking to diversify their portfolio, silver offers a unique blend of affordability, accessibility, and potential for growth. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, if you are worried your retirement savings is not keeping up with inflation, see the link in the video description to access the free inflation retirement calculator to make sure you are on track. Options for investment range from buying the physical silver, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mining stocks, silver IRAs, and more. This guide will walk you through the fundamentals of silver investing, why it's a good option, and how to start investing wisely. Why invest in silver? Silver, often referred to as the poor man's gold, is a versatile asset with both industrial and monetary uses. Here are a few compelling reasons to consider investing in silver. 1. Hedge against inflation. Silver retains its value over time and acts as a safeguard against inflation. During economic downturns, silver prices often rise, providing a cushion for your investments. 2. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, silver is a physical asset you can hold, store, and use if needed. Its intrinsic value remains consistent. 3. Industrial demand. Silver is widely used in industries such as electronics, solar energy, and medical devices. This ongoing demand contributes to its value and growth potential. 4. Portfolio diversification. Adding silver to your portfolio can reduce overall risk by diversifying your investments. It tends to perform well when other asset classes like stocks underperform. 5. Affordability. Compared to gold, silver is more affordable, making it an accessible entry point for beginner investors. Different ways to invest in silver. When it comes to silver investing, there are several methods to choose from. Each approach has its pros and cons, depending on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and budget. 1. Physical silver. Physical silver refers to tangible forms such as coins, bars, and rounds. Coins. Popular options include American silver eagles, Canadian silver maple leafs, and Austrian silver philharmonics. Coins are government issued, making them highly recognizable and trusted. Bars. Silver bars come in various sizes, from 1 ounce to 100 ounces or more. They are ideal for bulk investments. Rounds. Similar to coins but not legal tender. Silver rounds are usually more affordable and are produced by private mints. Pros. Complete control over your asset. No counterparty risk. Easy to liquidate in most markets. Cons. Storage and security concerns. Premiums over spot price can be high. See our video on gold coin prices versus the spot price. Requires physical handling and insurance. 2. Silver ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Silver ETFs are funds that track the price of silver. They allow you to gain exposure to silver without owning the physical metal. Pros. Easy to buy and sell on stock exchanges. No storage or security issues. Lower transaction costs compared to physical silver. Cons. Lack of physical ownership. Potential management fees. Dependence on the fund's performance. Higher risk. 3. Silver mining stocks. Investing in companies that mine silver offers exposure to the metal's market price, along with potential dividends and business growth. Pros. Potential for higher returns. Diversification within the mining sector. Cons. Higher risk due to company-specific factors, not directly tied to silver prices. 4. Silver futures and options. These are contracts that allow you to speculate on the price of silver in the future. They're suitable for advanced investors with a high risk tolerance. Pros. High leverage potential. Ability to hedge other investments. Cons. Higher counterparty risk and complex for beginners. Requires significant market knowledge. 5. Silver certificates represent ownership of a certain amount of silver stored in a vault. They're an alternative to holding the metal physically. Pros. No storage concerns. Easily tradable. Cons. Relies on the issuer's credibility. No physical access to metal. Higher counterparty risk. 6. Tax advantage silver IRAs. These self-direct IRAs provide investors with a unique tax advantage opportunity to own silver and other precious metals. Pros. The IRA is funded with pre-tax dollars. Provides ownership of the physical metal without the need to store the metal in your own home. It can be started with a rollover from an existing account like a 401k. Cons. Requires an understanding of precious metals IRA tax rules. Investors cannot physically store the silver while in the IRA. Finding the right silver IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold or silver IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be 2 choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive silver and gold prices and lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides silver IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. For a highly personalized experience, National Gold Group is a family-owned gold IRA company that offers a low minimum investment, no-fee buyback policy, and great educational resources for their clients. Decide based on your individual needs. See the links in the description to each of these top-rated and reputable gold and silver IRA companies and access their free silver and gold IRA kit. How to get started with silver investing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help beginners start their silver investment journey. 1. Set clear goals. Determine why you want to invest in silver. Are you looking for a hedge against inflation, portfolio diversification, or long-term wealth preservation? Knowing your objectives will guide your investment choices. 2. Understand the market. Educate yourself about how the silver market works. Learn about factors that influence silver prices, such as industrial demand, geopolitical events, and currency fluctuations. 3. Determine your budget. Start with an amount you're comfortable investing. Silver's affordability means you can begin with a small sum and increase your investment over time. 4. Choose the right investment method. Based on your goals and risk tolerance, decide whether to invest in physical silver, ETFs, mining stocks, or a tax-deferred silver IRA. 5. Find a trusted dealer or platform. If buying physical silver, choose a reputable dealer with competitive prices. For ETFs or stocks, use a reliable brokerage platform. 6. Start small. Begin with small investments to gain confidence and experience. As you learn more, you can scale up your portfolio. 7. Store your silver safely. If investing in physical silver, decide on a secure storage method, such as a home safe, a bank vault, or a third-party storage facility. 8. Monitor your investments. Keep track of silver prices and market trends. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Risks of silver investing. While silver can be a valuable addition to your portfolio, it's important to be aware of potential risks. 1. Price volatility. Silver prices can fluctuate significantly in short periods, which might be unsettling for some investors. 2. Storage and security. For physical silver, you need a secure storage solution, which can add to the cost. 3. Market risks. Investments like ETFs or mining stocks are subject to broader market risks and may not always mirror silver performance. 4. Liquidity issues. Selling large quantities of physical silver might be challenging in certain market conditions. Tips for successful silver investing. 1. Do your research. Stay informed about the silver market, including supply and demand dynamics and macroeconomic factors. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into silver. Spread your investments across different asset classes for a balanced portfolio. 3. Avoid emotional decisions. Market fluctuations are normal. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions. 4. Focus on long-term goals. Silver investing often works best as a long-term strategy. Be patient and avoid frequent buying or selling. 5. Consider dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount in silver at regular intervals to mitigate the impact of price volatility. Silver investing can be a rewarding venture for beginners, offering a blend of stability, affordability, and growth potential. By understanding the various investment methods, setting clear goals, and managing risks, you can confidently navigate the silver market and build a diversified portfolio. Whether you're looking to hedge against inflation, secure long-term wealth, or simply explore new investment opportunities, silver provides a versatile and valuable option. Start small, stay informed, and watch your investment shine. If you have $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best silver and gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free silver and gold educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Secure your place today. Thank you for watching.